Okay, in this section, we're going to see one of the hardest questions for Statistic 1, A-level Statistic 1. This is May, June 2002, 22, paper 52, question 6. Okay, in part A, find the number of different arrangement. 9 letters from the word of crocodile can be arranged. Okay, normally what we need to do is, so you already tell us there are altogether 9, so we know there are 9. So here to see the number of letters that are repeated. So we can see that the C is going to be repeated for 2 times, twice, and then O will also repeat 2 times. After that, you have to check the other alphabet that we have. Okay, so we can see others all not repeated. We have 5 not repeated, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 others. Others, we have 5. So since we are arranging all the 9 alphabet, so the number of arrangement will be, see the number, the total, and then you have to divide it by the number of letters that are repeated. Okay, more than once. So this one twice, so 2 factorial. O also twice, so another 2 factorial. So this one you are going to get, the value will be 90720. Okay, you can check with the calculator this value. Okay, question B, find the number of different arrangement. 9 letters in the word of crocodile, in which C on one side, on the other end, and the 2 O are not together. So what you need to do is, we have 9, so we have to put the C and the other C on 2 sides. Then because altogether there are 9, once you have put 2 on 2 sides, so remember there are 7. So all these 7 you have to see, because the question say about the O cannot be together. So normally when you see something like this, not together, number of not together will be equal to total without restriction minus number together. Okay, this one stands for no restriction. Okay, and this one you have to put them together. That means the O are moving together. Okay, so without restriction we have, so we have to come back to our combination again. We have O, we have 2, and then others are 5. Others we have 5. Okay, so altogether 7. So just take this 7 factorial divided by the repeated one. Okay, when they are together, what does it mean? It means you have to consider together means the O and O are tied together. Okay, O and O are together with 5 others. That means we have other alphabet like R, D, I, L, E. So if you count one by one, this one consider as one object. Okay, so we are going to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects at the same time. 6 objects at the same time means this one will form 6 factorial. Okay, so what you need to do is just to press calculator for this. So 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So from calculator, this will give you 1500. So this answer for part 1. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing you have to take note. This one, so some of the questions the student will ask, why C we don't consider? This is because when once you fix the position, you don't count it again. So the fixed one don't count. No count, don't count. Okay, fixed one no count. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Okay, now we move on to the part C. 4 letters selected from 9 words. The selection, the O, the number of C will not be the same as number of O. C and O cannot be the same. So we start with C. So we can have CC not the same, so we can allow 1 O plus 1 others. Okay, so CC plus under these 3 are fixed. Okay, we come back again. We have O, there are 2, C, we have 2, we have 5 others. Okay, so if this is fixed, we only have to choose the last one, but we cannot choose from O. So we can only choose from 5 others. So that means this one will give you 5C1. So here there are 5 combinations. Okay, after that you have to think about CC. Okay, we still continue with CC. So CC, you cannot have 2O. CC, the next combination will be 2 others. 2 others means you have to choose from the other 2. So this is 5C2. So here we're going to get 10. After that, what should we do? We have done 2C. Now we move on to 1C. Okay, 1C you can start with 2O. If 1C with 2O, then you can allow one more others. So this one is similar to the first one. So this is also 5C1. So it's fine. 1C2O. Then the next one we can have 1C1O with others. Okay, 1C1O with others. 3 others. 1C2O with others. Okay, so this is going to be 5C2. So this is going to be 1C1O. Oh, we cannot have 1C1O because 1C1O consider same number, so this one not allowed. Okay, cannot. So this is, we check again. This is 2C, 2 number of C, 1O. Then after that we have 2C, 0O. Then you have 1C, 2O, 2O. And you should move on to the 0C, no C, no C. Then you can have 1O. No C, you can start with either 1O or 2O. Okay, let's say we start with 2O. If 2O, 2O, then you can have 5C2. Okay, this is 10 again. Last one, we can have 1O, 1C. You say 1C. If let's say 1C, no O, no O, then the other 3 have to choose from the other 5. So it's 5C, 3. 5C3 from calculator is 5C2. So this is also 10. And last one is O. Okay, 1C, no O, no O, 1O, no C. Okay, is it all correct? Okay, so the last one is also 5C3. So we're going to have another 10. Then after that, you have to calculate the total. If you sum up this, you're going to have 50. So write down 50 as answer. Okay, last one. Last one is the most challenging one and the most difficult one. Okay, because it's talking about the number of ways in which 9 letters in the word of crocodile can be divided into 3 groups containing 3 letters. 2C must be in the second different group. 3 marks for this question. So what it means is you cannot have now you need to have form 3 groups. Okay, so because as what we can see, we have 2O, 2O and 2C and 5 others. Okay, so they do not allow the C must be in the second group, different group, but O is okay. So maybe you have to see the combination. Let's say we have OO with C, OO with C. Okay, so OO with C, that means C can be here with others, This is the first combination. What's the second one? C, no together, so can also be OO, no C. It means C can be here, C can also be here. So we can see this is repeated, okay? And then, so these three are not repeated. So these two are fixed. Fixed. The one not fixed, we have to count. So this one is, we have 5 choices. So it's 5C, choose 2 from here. Then the other 3 will be chosen for another group. The remaining 3 will go to the last group. So this is 3C3. 5C2 is 5, 4, 1, 2. So this is going to be 10. Okay. And then this one is we fix the OO. This one need to choose. So the chosen one is 5C1 for this one. Okay. So once one is chosen, you need to choose 2 more, but we only have 5. 1 has go here. What does it mean? Means the other 2 will go here. So we have to times 4C2. The last one, the remainder will go to the last one. 2C2 is a remainder. So correct not? We need to choose 1. This already chosen. 2 more for the second group, and this one on the last group. Okay. But this one you have to be careful because here these 2 you see this one is the same combination 0, O, so consider 1. But these 2 repeat. If it's repeat, you need to divide it by 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial. So 5C1, 3C2. Okay, divide by 2 factorial. So this is going to be 5C1. Okay, is it considered correct? Let us check again. 2 in the different group, 2O in the same group. Okay, so if you press calculator for this, let's check again. 5, 4C2 divided by 2. So this is going to be 15. Okay. After that, you have to consider one more. We also can have O, 2 others, CO, CO. O, 2 others, CO, CO, is it possible? Not possible because we only have 2O. How about this one all different, then this one CO, CO? All different CO, CO. Okay, that means first one you need to have 5C3. Then this one 2 choose 1. This one also 2 choose 1. But same thing because these 2 repeat, so need to divide by 2 factorial. Okay, so this is going to be 5C3 times 2 divided by 2. So this is 20. Okay, any other combination that we can see? OO, 2O. OC already go here. 1O, 1C. 2O, CC, CO, CO. Any more? Okay, there is one more. Both O with C, one group, correct. Both O without C, 15, correct. O with C, O with EC, 20. O in C, group, 1 is not. Okay, 1 is the last combination. $45. Okay, let's check again. Double O1C. C can be here, C can be here. Okay, this one no repeated, no problem. 2O1C each, CO is 0 each. CCO cannot allow, C must be in different group. 5C3, 5C3 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 is 20, correct? There is one more group. OC, 1O with 2C, not possible. One O with two others. CO1 group. C1 group. Okay, if it's like that, means any repeated. Oh, no others. Others is 5C2. So this is, then we have 3 more. Choose 1 to go to the group. 5C2. 5C2 times 3, 30. I didn't repeat it. Double. Let's check again. 5C3. Oh, this one should be 1C1. No wonder. Okay. Let's check again. 5C3 form this. Because originally we have 5. Then choose 3, put here. Okay. So 2 more. 2 choose 1, go here. So this is 3 choose 1. 1C1 because of this, 1C1. So at the end, this is 5. That's why this question need to be very careful. If you mix out something, then everything is gone. Okay, this one should be 10. Okay, so altogether, so the answer is actually 65. Okay. Okay, let's see it again. Okay, see it carefully because it's tough. This question. Okay, I think it's one of the hardest question for A levels. So you have to be careful with this. This combination. Okay, so just hold to the principle. The fixed value do not count. The fixed selection do not count. We do not count these 3. We count this and this. So we have 5C2. This one, this is 5C2. And then this one is the remainder 3 go to the other group. So it's 3C3. So give you this. Next combination is OO without the C. So C go to the other 2 group. So this one is a selection. 5C1 is here. Then after that, here got 2 more to choose. To 4C2, the last one is 2, 2, 2. Y divided by 2 factorial because these 2 are repeated, so divide. Okay. And we go to this one. This one is 5C3 from the first one. And the CO, these 2 repeat, so divide by 2 factorial. But be careful of this because 5C3, 2C1, 2C1 is this one. And the last one is, this is the one we had to make the selection. Then this is this one, and this one you had already take care of by using this. The last one go to this. So the sum of all this value is going to be, okay, 65. Let's check again. 10, 15, 25, 35. So this is 30. So altogether is 65. Okay, thank you.